Hello my dear crafters, Vita Crafts is here today with another very short tutorial about cast on. This cast on I probably mentioned in a video about this head and this how it looks. It's creates some nice join of groups of 2 stitches. That's why it's perfect for the 2x2 rib stitch. If you see, you have some little joins here, and this how the edge look. I have here my little swatch which I'm doing for another project, and I'm using the same cast on, and I want to show you very fast, very short video how we will cast on this method. Right, I'm taking a normal needle. It's not the proper needle for this yarn, but you know, I just get it to don't make a noise with the cable. For this cast on we will use just one needle. Get your long tail, put it like this, like for normal long tail cast on, and we will start as a normal cast on with a long tail. You go like this, create the loop around your thumb, get in and take the yarn from your index finger. It's normal cast on, you can see it on another videos. Now second stitch we need to cast on the way it will be joined like this with the first one, and we will do it, I'll show you 2 ways to do this. First way is when you turn your hand, left hand, and like this, instead of going this way, normal way, you go this way, from up, down. You grab your yarn, turn your thumb and pull yarn from your index finger inside of this loop. Basically you turn your loop, you create your loop other way, and this how will look your 2 stitches joined with this yarn. Then you go another normal one again, ordinary long tail cast on. And second way to do it is this way. You have your thumb in, you just get it out and put thumb under the yarn this way. You see, this way you take out your thumb and put this way, and this will be the same result but other way doing this. Here you have groups of 2 stitches, and be sure on the first round you group your stitches in these groups, like two knit stitches and 2 purl stitches inside the group. And now let me show you again one more time. You do ordinary stitch, and second stitch you do or this way from down, or just changing the position of your thumb. That's it. That's it for today. I hope you like this cast on and you will use it and love it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on next videos.